Beep, 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 beep. This is the Bruder Forklift. Let's check it out. There's the steering. See this knob here? Turn this. The wheels turn. So you can drive it. It turns. How cool is that? Because forklifts are rear wheel drive. But this is the cool bit. The tongs. So you pull this up, the thing rises up. How cool is that? Goes up pretty high. Look at that. Isn't that cool? And it tilts forward, it tilts back. And then, if the tongs, they move too. Look at that. They can go apart. They can go together. So you can pick up all sorts of cool stuff. Let's pick something up. Let's pick up this thing here. So first, we have to make the tongs further apart. See that? Let's obviously bring it down. Let's drive over there. The steering. Here we go. Turn. Big turn. Pick up this blue one. You get close. Push this down. Here we go. Alright, now let's lift it up. That's picking it up. Alright, let's reverse back. Oh, how cool is that? Just like a real forklift. Let's say we want to put it somewhere. Let's put it over on top of there. Use the steering. I think we might be just the right height. Yeah, how cool is that? You drive there, line it up. That. Tilt forward. Backwards, out they come. And we just did it. That's so cool. Forklift. Oh no, it stopped working. We need a new forklift. Let's call one. Did someone call for a new forklift?
No, this way.
Yay, new forklift! Hold on a minute. That is hazardous waste. We have to store it properly. Can't store it here. We need a proper safety containment area for quarantine. Did someone say quarantine area? Open the gate. Close the gate. Open up the gate. Close the gate. Now we need something to pick up the big shipping container. Alright, let's call it a big crate. It's a big cargo crate. Oh wow, check it out. Cargo crane. This is so cool. Got the crane up here. Legs. Even wide enough for a truck to fit through. And it's on wheels too. Look at this. Oh, there's a ladder to get up. Here's the operator. And look at this. It slides. You can move it around. How cool is that? And it opens up. Hello. There we go. There's all the bits. The controls. Here's the hook. Look at that. Let's watch it go up and down. And when the thing relaxes, it gets wider. So it can fit things. And when it picks it up, make it tight. Look at this. You can go the entire whole length. Oh wow, how cool is that? How about we pick up this gas container? Alright, here we go. Okay, watch this. You see that? Picked it up. Alright, now let's move it through. then we need to move it. So let's drive the cargo crane through. Let's put it down here. How cool is that? If you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See ya!